guys, Caitlin Duchesne here from the Peoria Public Library. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a DIY magazine headband just like the one I'm wearing, and also a bracelet to go with it. It's a really easy project that only needs one magazine and a couple of items from around the house. So keep watching and you know how to make this fabulous headband as well. You're going to cut out your squares. Your squares are going to be 12.5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. So, to measure that, I'm going to take my magazine right here, measure down 12.5 centimeters. Right there. And then 5 centimeters. Same thing for the other side. Use this template to cut out the other sheets. As you can see, I've done that already. And magazines are pretty thin, so you can do it pretty easy by taking several pages, taking your scissors, and just cutting through it. Just cut out your squares. You're going to need quite a few of these. They're going to be your links, which look like this. And depending on how large your arm is, depends on how many of these links you're actually going to need. So you're going to take one of the squares that you cut out, fold it horizontally in half, and then fold it horizontally again. So longwise in half. And now you're going to fold it vertically in half. So this side goes to this side in half. Looks something like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to fold both sides to where the crease is. I'm going to mark the crease to make it more visible. So you're going to fold right here so it meets the crease. Same thing with the other side. So it meets right in the middle. And just fold that. And just fold that in half. You're going to make quite a bit of these from your squares. See? These are going to be the chains for your bracelet or headband. How many you need depends on how large your bracelet or headband is going to be. So you're going to take one of your links and another of your links and put them together. To do this, keep the links folded as they are, like this, and insert one end into the folded end of another so that it comes through. You're going to do the same thing with the other side. Insert a folded end into the other folded end. And just pull it through. You might have to use your nail to kind of force the links down a little bit to make sure they're nice and tight and they're not going to come loose. But there you have one of the triangles. Just keep adding links to it. So same thing. You'll have to reverse it because you want to get a triangle. You don't want to get a square. So keep it folded. Push it through the folded end. See? And as you can see, it's pretty tough. It's not going to come loose. And there you have your links starting to form. It will just keep going that way as you go. I want the point over here to follow with the pattern. So I'm going to push the link through this way. Catch it, just pull it up. Same thing. Sometimes you might have to wiggle it because it'll get caught on one of the other links. Let me show you what it looks like if you do it the wrong way. Alright, there's a very specific way that you have to enter the links. If you do it the wrong way, you're going to come up with a square that won't let you do anything. So this is what happens if I do it the wrong way. See how I have a square? I can't really enter another link into this one because it'll run into the red one. I can't enter it from this side because there's not enough room. So you have to make sure you enter your links the right way so that it continues the pattern. Okay. From there, you're going to make your chain as long as you want to make it. Just keep adding links to it and folding and cutting the paper as needed. Once you got your chain all done, as you can see mine is, you're just going to link the two sides together. So one piece ends, another piece on the other side, just insert it, and your chain is linked. You might want to add some glue just to make sure it stays linked. But otherwise, that's how you make the bracelet. Once you have it the length that you want, you're actually going to glue it around the headband and making sure that it's stable on all sides. Okay, and you just wrap it around the headband really quick. So wrap it around the headband all through